Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to make it so your keyboard is not loud. So let's go to the browser first. Write your Discord. Now log into your Discord account. After login you have to go here, settings option. After go to settings, scroll down and you'll find voice and video. Then scroll down and you'll find this balancer or the input sensitivity. When you talk, the shadow is going here. This is so loud. You can use this balancer to put your sound less or loud. So now talk and check if your voice is clear and your keyboard is not making noise. Okay, you have to trial and error like this. If your balancer is here and your keyboard is not louding and your voice is good, then you can set it here. If it's not working here, then you can set it here. You have to trial and out like this. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this so your keyboard is not loud when you are talking in Discord. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.